In this video, I'm going to show you how to craft the Hoenn Cartography Table in Cobbleverse. So first and foremost, you need to make sure that you defeat Champion Blue and also that you set up the Johto region. So Hoenn is the third region, keep in mind. So first and foremost, you need to make sure you defeat the entire Elite Four and of course Champion Blue himself. So basically, what you could also do is you can also run a command that will effectively defeat Champion Blue for you. So the command is /function and then Cobbleverse, and then go ahead and type in blue champion underscore defeated, just like so. So you're able to go ahead and type this in to defeat Champion Blue with commands right over here, and that is effectively going to do the same thing, and that will unlock the Johto region for you. It is also going to give you a guide as well, showing you how to set things up, but basically, you need to close out of your world, then come back, because unfortunately, you can't just craft the Hoenn Cartography Table without doing this process. Okay, then once you're done with that, then what you need to do is you need to go ahead and also defeat the Johto region as well. And of course, you will need to do the same thing again. So this time it is Champion Lance. So you could also type in the command /Lance Champion as well. But obviously, if you're doing this in vanilla survival, it is going to be a grind. But in my opinion, it definitely is pretty fun. But anyways, you're able to go ahead and scroll down and also do /setup Hoenn. And then you'll need to go ahead and restart your world. And that will give you access to the crafting recipe in order for Hoenn structures to actually spawn in. And of course, in order for you to be able to craft the Hoenn Cartography Table. Alright guys, so here's a crafting recipe right over here. So you want to start off by placing a piece of paper, and you're going to need 3 of these balls right over here. And you want to go ahead and place them down, then 3 planks of your choice. And oops, I accidentally made a mistake, so you need to go ahead and switch it around. Sometimes I get confused with the pattern. But anyways guys, as you're able to tell, we're now able to go ahead and create the Hoenn Cartography Table. We can begin using it, and we can begin making locator maps in order to find Hoenn structures. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.